Hey everyone, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So we're gonna get into some things with this headband wig and we're gonna be right back. Okay, so as you guys saw, this unit was an easy slay. I had laid my baby hairs down prior to making this video because I just didn't feel like doing it on camera. But this is what my hair is looking like, and as you guys saw, it has a comb right here, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and the black headband. So this unit was packaged very cute. I will say that they upped their game since the last time I purchased from them because I did not get a wig bag last time. So this time around I got a wig bag. I got two headbands. So these are what both of the headbands are looking like. And then it came with a wig grip. So I've actually never had a wig grip before. So yeah. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. So this is for the lace for where, you know, you guys have a part. And then it has this right here. The little... Okay, it's cute. It's cute. So I never had a wig grip before, so I'm excited to test this out. It also came with a wig cap and some lashes. I was actually going to wear these lashes for today's video, but these lashes are so big. I do not like big lashes. I know a lot of other people do. Me, I just feel like they just don't look right. That's just my personal opinion. So I always try to keep it like, you know, not this size for lashes. Yeah. But yeah, so I wanted to give you guys an update on this unit because I purchased the same exact unit, I want to say around the end of February, and I did a review and I posted it. So this is what my old unit is looking like. I got this in the water wave unit and it doesn't look the same type of texture. Now I know when I wash it, it's going to look different because this is straight out the package. I do like the wet look, but whenever I had washed the hair, I'll show you guys a photo right here of the review that I did. It didn't look like this. So, and I can't remember if it looked like this out the packaging either. I mean, that was so long ago. But this unit, I will say this weave will last about 3 months. And I guess that's okay for the price. It is human hair. You can curl it and things like that. The only thing that I did with this unit was that I washed it, I would condition it, then I would let it air dry on the vent, you know, because it was around that time the heat was on. But now that it's warming up, it's summer, so it will be cool air this time around. But it was easy for me. I just put in some leave-in conditioner and then I would just let it go and go on about my business. But I do feel like the unit only lasted 3 months. Granted, I wore the wig every single day or almost every single day. It was my, you know, work wig, my run to the store wig, my gym wig. So I did get some good usage out of it. So I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know that this unit will last you about 3 months. I don't see a point in boiling it. I know sometimes people do that with their wigs to bring it back to life. I just feel like it's still gonna get tangled and matted. So I just purchased a new one. This unit was and I got it in a little bit of a longer length. So this is 22 inches. Do a 360. So this one is in 22 inches. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy. And actually it smells really good. So no complaints over here. I am a little nervous that when I do decide to wash it, it's going to look like the original one that I had. And I do really like this wet look. So I'm going to rock this, you know, until I decide to wash it. But yeah, just to give you guys an update, it's only going to last you about 3 months. So just keep that in mind when purchasing. This wig is not meant to last you a year unless you wear it like once in a blue moon, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick fun video. If you want to catch more details on this wig, make sure you guys watch my other video that I posted earlier this year. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.